Hi gardeners! Today we're going to do a real quick science experiment that you can do at home with your kids to test your soil's composition. This test has two parts. The first is going to show you what your soil is made of. The second part is going to show you about what the pH is, if it's acidic or alkaline. Not the exact pH, but just if it's one or the other. For part one, you need a jar for each area you want to test and a shovel. Let's go. I need you to take the shovel and pick up some dirt and put it in the jar. Push with your foot. Push, 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 push. Pick it up and pour it in the jar. Fill the jar about half full. And then since we're testing multiple places, we're going to write which bed this is out of. Repeat for all the areas you want to test. Put the lid back on. This is the soil that was left over when I dug out my stairs last fall. Hey, be cute over here. Is it hard as a rock?
No!
Oh, I wonder why. Okay. You gotta actually get it in the jar. Should be. Soil! This is my grandmother's vegetable garden that she tended for decades. She took whatever native soil was here before and she added all kinds of things. Animal manure, compost, probably leaf mulch, I don't know what all, to this garden. And she made this thing just soil. So I want to see what's still down here. First we have to get underneath the weeds.
Or do I? Yeah. Oh. Damn, that's healthy soil.
Isn't that pretty soil? Let me write Grandma's garden on it. Fill the jar, not quite full. Step 3 of this experiment is to shake the bejesus out of it. Make sure the lid is tight. Shake, shake, shake. You have to get the soil completely saturated.
Whoa!
The last step is to put it on a level surface and let it settle. You see what's happening?
That's dirt, right?
Yeah. So the heavy, coarse materials like sand and rocks settle to the bottom first. Then we get the medium-sized materials like loam. You see this just settled?
Yeah.
That's the medium stuff.
Then this is
Like
all the light
loam.
stuff?
This has light stuff that hasn't settled yet. So we're looking at layers of sand and loam, and then the silt and clay settle.
Like leaves and stuff.
Leaves and stuff. This is the organic matter. That will never sink because organic matter tends to float. Think sticks and leaves and things tend to float on top of the water. Okay, that's what's happening there. Yeah, you can start to see the tiny little layer of clay start to settle. Now, to really get everything out and to really see it, you got to let it sit like overnight, several hours, at least an hour. So while we're waiting on this, let's go do the second phase of this experiment. Ready? Okay. For part 2 of this experiment, you need the same soil samples, vinegar, baking soda, and a little water, and some kind of container to put them all in. So I've collected the same samples: peony bed, stairs, vegetable garden, okay? The different colors of the soil.
Wow!
I mean, this shows how much my grandma loved her garden and worked on it for years. It's amazing. So the first thing to do is just put some water in one of them, because baking soda is a solid and it won't react with another solid. Just enough to cover the soil. And then mix it up a bit.
Solid, liquid, and gas.
You want to mix it?
Oh, I'm not putting my finger in there because I don't want to get it dirty.
Let's see if any of our soils are alkaline. If they're alkaline and you pour baking soda in them, they will bubble a little bit.
Bubble?
Yeah, we'll see if it
What's
happens.
alkaline?
Alkaline means a high pH, pH over 7.
Is that bad or good?
It's not bad or good. It just means that you can grow different plants. Pretty much nothing is happening. Let's do the same with vinegar and see what happens.
I'm scared.
Why are you scared? It's not likely to be alkaline enough. Just don't stick your finger in this.
Why?
Because it's vinegar.
So?
Bubbles. Okay, so.
One bubble.
Yeah, like one bubble and a little bit of fizz, but not much.
Oh, I like the bubbles. Wait,
look at that.
Oh, damn it.
You missed it. Okay, let's do the last one. We'll do Grandma's garden.
bubbles. Barely.
Not really. That is interesting. So there's zero activity happening over here. There's a little bit happening here and a lot happening here, which means this clay soil is really alkaline.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
That is interesting.
Is that
I might
one?
have to do a real pH test here.
Do this one.
Do what one?
That one.
This one?
Yeah.
I did water and baking soda in that one. You want me to add more baking soda?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Nothing's happening. You want to stick your finger in there?
And then that.
And then this? Oh, she wants to see what'll happen if I add more vinegar. Okay, so hold on. Let's see what happens. Yeah, this one's really going. That clay is really alkaline.
Right, and this one. This one.
Okay, you want me to add vinegar in these?
Yeah.
What do you think's going to happen when I put vinegar in these?
Put in bubbles.
You think more bubbles?
Yeah.
What do you think's going to happen?
I don't know.
Well, it's soil with a little bit of water and a lot of baking soda.
Oh.
Oh, it's going to make a mess of my table. That's what's going to happen. All right, ready? Let's do this one first.
Whoa!
This one.
Whoa!
This
Oh,
one.
mix. Bubbles.
Okay, let me add more. You want me to add more?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see if it still bubbles.
Oh! Cool. Bubba. Again.
Again. Let's start in the middle because that's the one that might still have some left.
Damn!
Isn't that pretty? Look at all the colors.
Bubba.
Side note, when you dispose of this part of the project with the vinegar and the baking soda, don't put it back in the garden because it'll affect how things grow. It's too acidic. So put it somewhere where you actually want weed control. This is after a half hour. Look at the jars. You see? It's all the big heavy stuff.
Yeah.
And then the medium stuff. And you're starting to see that layer of silt. And then all the organic material up at the top. And what I find really interesting here
Is that they're different colors?
they're different colors and different compositions. Even though these two, the peony bed and the stairs, were only a few feet apart from each other, look how different the soils are.
Well, I mean, one was sitting out in the sun for like forever.
But the composition of the soil is different. This has a lot more clay. Like, look at all this fine stuff up here.
Clay.
And we'll look at it. We'll look at it again in the morning, and there's going to be even less stuff floating in the water. So, like, really look at that, though. You can see sand, loam, silt.
Yeah. Can I shake it?
Don't shake it. It only just all settled. So this one's Grandma's garden, and I've got lots of, I mean, the big stuff is mixed in with loam. That's what's interesting here. There's lots of like good sized rocks, but there's also loam mixed in there. And then there's a bunch of loam here and not much in the way of clay and silt, which is nice. This is good soil to grow in. I actually expected there to be a lot more organic material floating on the top, but you know, it's been almost 20 years since that garden was worked, so it's probably all decomposed and part of the soil now. This is the peony bed, and this is very similar to Grandma's garden, but it looks like there's a bit more clay up here on the very top. Both of these registered with the pH test as neutral pH, almost alkaline, which is really unusual. I've never actually grown anything in an alkaline garden before. So I might be amending with a little bit of acid, but if everything grows okay, then I probably won't make many adjustments to those. This is where the stairs were. I don't plan on growing much in here, but see all the sand and you see all the clay right here. This one, because I'm not growing anything, I'm not worried about it. If I were to want to grow anything in here, I would need to amend with quite a bit of organic material, and it was very, very alkaline. When we added the vinegar, it bubbled like crazy. So I would probably want to bring the pH down a bit because most plants prefer an acidic soil. So that's what you do with this information after you do the test. Thanks for watching, gardeners. I'll see you in the garden.